Geologists suspect the peak may still be rising. Landslides reshape its contours from time to time.
Mount Diablo is a prominent mountain in the Diablo Range, rising above Walnut Creek and other East Bay communities in Contra Costa County, California. Its summit reaches 3,849 feet or 1,173 meters, making it the highest point in the region and one of the most distinctive natural landmarks visible across the San Francisco Bay Area. From the summit on a clear day, you can see panoramic views extending well over 100 miles, including parts of the San Francisco Bay, the Golden Gate Bridge, the Sierra Nevada mountains to the east, and distant peaks such as Lassen Peak in the north. The mountain's prominence and wide visibility have made it a natural reference point for explorers and settlers for centuries. The mountain and its surroundings are protected within Mount Diablo State Park, one of California's older and larger state parks, encompassing around 20,000 acres of diverse landscapes, including oak woodlands, grasslands, chaparral, and riparian corridors. The park lies about 4 miles east of Walnut Creek and roughly 20 miles east of the San Francisco Bay, offering a range of recreational opportunities such as hiking, mountain biking, horseback riding, picnicking, camping, rock climbing, and scenic driving. Geologically, Mount Diablo is extraordinarily complex. The mountain's rocks record tens of millions of years of Earth's history, with marine fossils, chert, sandstone, and other formations that tell of ancient seas, shifting tectonic plates, and episodes of uplift and deformation. Interpretive trails like the Trail Through Time feature panels explaining this deep history as hikers ascend through rock layers that span over 180 million years. the region has also yielded fossil remains of prehistoric mammals, including horses, mastodons, and camels, providing insights into ancient ecosystems.
And that remained a mystery for several decades. Finally, one of the ranch hands on this deathbed testified. We indeed have burned down the mountain house. The rancher told us when we set a fire to take off the doors and windows, and that we later got caught, we would be prosecuted for arson on a dwelling. Because without doors and windows, it wasn't a dwelling.
Historically, Mount Diablo held cultural significance for Native American groups long before European contact, and later became an important survey point in the 19th century. In 1851, it was selected as the initial point for land surveys of Northern California and Nevada, with the Mount Diablo base and meridian serving as key reference lines for mapping and land division. The mountain was later designated a historical landmark, recognizing its varied natural and cultural importance.
No, it's downstairs.
No, there's something upstairs.
What's upstairs?
Very cool.
What's up there?
A lookout.
Within the state park, there are numerous trails of varying difficulty, from short interpretive loops like the Mary Bowerman Trail near the summit to strenuous multi-mile routes such as the Great Loop or direct summit approaches. Visitors can drive up scenic roads like Southgate Road or Northgate Road to reaches of the summit, or explore unique geological features like Rock City's sandstone formations and small caves. Facilities include visitor centers with exhibits about the park's natural history, picnic areas, and campgrounds for both family and group use.
We recognize as Mount Diablo was born. Even now, the mountain's evolution is not complete. Geologists suspect the peak may still be rising. Landslides reshape its contours from time to time. Erosion carries fresh sediment each winter to the valley. Every jolting earthquake and every tumbling rock are new evidence of Mount Diablo's dynamic nature, and in addition to the story that continues to unfold. Although Mount Diablo is one of California's best known its origin has long been close. To try to understand the mountain's history, we must look far back in time and far beyond the peak itself, and geological processes operating on a global scale. Scientists have discovered that the Earth's crust is divided into large fragments, or plates.
Today, Mount Diablo continues to be a cherished destination for residents and visitors alike, offering spectacular views, deep natural history, and a chance to experience the rich biodiversity and rugged beauty of California's East Bay.
They are. There's no way they aren't.
Today, Mount Diablo continues to be a cherished destination for residents and visitors alike, offering spectacular views, deep natural history, and a chance to experience the rich biodiversity and rugged beauty of California's East Bay.
Oh, here it is. You look over there. Here's the story about this.
Somewhere all the way over there. Can't see it.
Oh, really?
Somewhere all the way over there. At least that's what the map says. Cool. Where is everybody?
¿Ya te ves subiendo la bicicleta hasta acá o...?
O con tu bici eléctrica. Sin problema.
Quiero así, que solo me salga
¿Tiene
bien.
frío? Algo frío. Ah, tiene refresco. Ah, hay museo abajo. ¿Quieres ver?